Welcome to Gundam Pro's 22nd Shipment Tower. In this tower, we have 17 model kits consisting of 5 Mechatrowe Go kits, 3 Digimon kits, 2 Master Grades, 2 Machining Kriegers, 1 Verka, 1 Figure Eye Standard, 1 High Grade, 1 Real Grade, and 1 Star Blazers kit. Let's start with Digimon kit. In Digimon, we received Machine Dramon, Dukemon, Gallantmon, and Imperial Dramon. For Master Grades, we received Death Scythe Hell and Double O Razor. In the Mechatrowe Go family, we have Mechatromates, Sky Blue and Orange, as well as Mechatromates Light Green and Lemon. We also have number 1, Light Green, Mechatrowe Go, UC Midori. Next up, we have number 6, Mechatrowe Go, Power Arms, Purple and Pink. And to top off the Mechatro line, we have number 16, Cream Soda, and Crystal Gold. In the Iron-Blooded Orphans high grade, we have Gundam Astaroth. We have Naruto Uzumaki as a Figure Eye Standard kit. For real grades, we have the RX-93 New Gundam. We have Machine Krieger Grober Hund and Machine Krieger Schwarzer Hund. And finally, from Star Blazers 2202, we have UNCF AAA Class DX.